Today, we mark a historic beginning. In association with Dr. Hiremath Global Enterprises, we launch IFIA Bharat at Sri Sathya Sai Grama, Muddenahalli, a movement to ignite invention, innovation, and entrepreneurship for humanity. India, the land of limitless ideas and pioneering spirit, now takes a new step forward, where innovation meets compassion, invention meets service, and entrepreneurship drives human progress. IFIA Bharat, in association with Dr. Hiremath Global Enterprises, innovation in service of humanity.